So the other day I was browsing sway bars for a buck. I was looking for a cheap rear one, and I came across this cheap Dorman OE replacement sway bar for 82 to 02 Camaros, Firebirds, and so on. And I have an 85 Trans Am that I want to get working on eventually, so I went ahead and picked it up. I was going to take some pictures of it and post them online, but I figured I might as well make a quick video unboxing it. Well, unwrapping it really. Here it is, Dorman 927-139 sway bar kit, anti-rollers. I already say that. So, give me a second here and I'll unwrap this thing and we'll check it out. Did I mention it was cheap? Now, it used to cost, from what I can tell, about $150, and I'd be probably pretty mad if I paid $150 for this. But I paid just over $60 with tax, shipped on eBay. Summit has it for $58.99, I think, right now, and I just checked inside. There's another merchant on eBay and Amazon that has it for like $49.99 or something like that, shipped, plus tax. So if I waited a couple more weeks, I could have saved, $10. Oh well, it is what it is. Here we go. Overall, the bar itself, the sway bar, appearance is nice. It's got the paint or whatever that is. I don't think it's powder coat because I think it's scratched on the other side right here. Right there. It looks like, and that might be a sticker. I don't know. But it's marked up, so you know which way to mistake putting it on the wrong way. The other side as well. And as you can see, it comes with most of the stuff you need to put it on. I'm not sure if there's a bracket on the car or not, because my TA does not have a sway bar. Now I do have a parts Firebird that has the sway bar on it, but it's all rusty, and all this stuff's going to have to be cut off. So I kind of needed this kit anyway. So onto these parts, you can see here, 2 U-bolts, nuts, the brackets to attach it to the axle. They're nice and painted. You got the end links over here, which this will have to be painted. That looks like it's just that black oxide which will rust in a heartbeat. Same with the bolt. It does, I think. Here's, I think it's okay grade. I can't read that right now. I forgot to check before the camera. Anyways, these bushings are kind of you can see right here, and right here, these are plastic. They're not even rubber. Those are plastic bushings for the end links. So I don't know about that. I would prefer rubber, I think, or poly, not plastic. I think those will crack and split off and be left on the ground someplace in no time. But who knows? The bar links, or the bar brackets, these bushings, you can see it right here, are rubber. Now Dorman, I checked their website, and for the sway bar kits, they said they come with poly bushings when applicable. I can't say that word. When sometimes. So this kit obviously does not have poly. Like I said, it has plastic and rubber, and that's I don't know. I mean, it is a stock OE replacement bar, so kit. I keep bumping the dang chair. Sorry. So I mean, it's not nothing fancy, but the price is what's nice about it. And if your vehicle does not have a bar, it's an upgrade over nothing at all. I don't know. I mean, you guys can make your own call. Let me know what you think. Oh, almost forgot. It is a 19mm bar, or 3/4. So, like I said, it's about stock size. Not I know there's aftermarket solutions that are larger and stiffer, but you're going to pay a lot more. I just wanted to have a bar over nothing and not spend too much. I mean, my car is not really road race. It's going to be more of a cruiser, street strip kind of deal. So this will work for me. I'll shop around, find some a decent price and some polyurethane bushings to swap out those crappy bushings, and it'll be fine. It'll be good enough. So, like I said, let me know what you guys think. Do any of my subscribers have 3rd gens or 4th gens? I have a 3rd gen. I've had several 3rd gens. I was actually shopping for a clean 3rd gen when I bought my C4 Corvette, but all I could find was, like, you know, beaters, and I was like, I'm gonna have to go far out of state because I live in a the Rust Belt and stuff. So, you know, salt the roads and so on. Anyways, I don't want to ramble on too much. I just want to keep this a short video. Wait, I was editing this video and realized I forgot to mention something. On Summit's website, in one of the eBay ads, the picture shows gold zinc hardware and brackets with polyurethane bushings. And I called up Summit, and they said that's probably just a picture they put together, because when you zoom in on the picture, it shows the part number, the same part number as this kit. So they say go off of what Dorman has on their website, which shows black hardware and such, you know, rubber bushings. So there it is. I just wanted to include that last bit. So much for making this video short. I just want to keep this a short video, show some people what I found. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Keep it real.